Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So if you are a OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro user, then you can right away try out ColorOS 13.1, which is just released for OnePlus 9 series. We'll talk about what all features we get to see on ColorOS 13.1. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hustle every single day. I'll be making. So here we have our OnePlus 9 on which I've already installed ColorOS 13.1, and let me show you the software information. If I go to about section, you can see ColorOS is 13.1. Under Android version, it comes with 5th April 2023 security patch. So I'm expecting OxygenOS 13.1 will be soon released for OnePlus 9 series along with April security patch. If you go to version is now 13.1 CN01. You won't see a lot of changes in the UI. I'm still digging into it, but today we'll only talk about the changes what OnePlus have mentioned with the change logs. And if you guys wish to install ColorOS 13.1 on your OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, then you need to manually update your device. Entire guide will be given in the description below. Just follow the guide. You should be on version C.47 to install ColorOS 13.1 locally. You can just check the guide which is given in the description below. It will make things easier if you want to install. And guys, if you like our content and think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to our channel. That will help us in making better content with quality. First thing which I wanted to highlight, now ColorOS 13.1 have more support of themed icon. So here you can see most of the applications are being supported under this themed icon feature. The remaining apps will also get support in future. Next change what I saw, and that's related to the phone application. If you go to block and filter settings, now there is a feature called enhanced blocking with National Anti-Fraud Center. So this could be a very useful feature for the spam calls which we get on daily basis. Another difference what you will see, and that's related to the icons here. So you can see the difference. This is here I have my OnePlus 8 which is running ColorOS 13, and here we only get to see the outline, but here it's completely different. The app icons are now more highlighted. And if you go to wallpapers and style section under colors, there's a new tab called featured colors. From here you can select some static colors if you don't want your system to choose the color palette from the wallpaper you're using on your device. And there's always an option of custom colors on OnePlus smartphones. And now we do have more controls when it comes to seamless connection. So if you go to settings, connection and sharing, here there's an option on ColorOS which is called as multi-screen connect. Now you can use your HeyTap account on your PC, tablet or phones, and the device will automatically connect when you place your devices near each other. Both the devices will then be connected automatically, allowing you to perform tasks across devices. And they have also added this audio switching feature under multi-screen connect, and it can be really useful if you are taking a lot of calls. You can switch the audio between your PC or your device wherever it is required. Another new feature which is still in beta phase, and that's called OWork. This is an account-based service that supports search, viewing, editing, transfer of files on phones and tablet. Might be useful for a lot of users. Later they did expand emoji functionalities and library which can be found here under your account. Tapping on emoji, depending on your choice, you can select. There are a lot of functionalities added, but as it's a Chinese ROM, I don't know, for some reason since morning it has been downloading the resources. So once it is complete, I'll update you guys in a newer video which I'll be getting once I find more features on ColorOS 13.1. And another great feature what OnePlus have added under security and privacy, which is you can find your device if your device is even offline. Device will use services like Bluetooth and nearby sharing feature if your device doesn't have network. So if you go to find my device section, here you can see a new option which says find my network, and description says locate your device even when your device is offline. Under health, they have also added a new talkback feature which will recognize and announce the images in apps and photos. Zen mode also got upgraded. So here you can see under Zen mode now we have a new option of deep Zen. If you tap on it, here are the rules of deep Zen mode. So these applications will be in Chinese language. Most of the stuff will be in Chinese language. I'll try to get apps from Oppo which can be replaced on OnePlus smartphones because Oppo comes with ColorOS with no Chinese language. Now they have added these two different modes under Zen space. One is deep Zen and the second one is light Zen. I've personally never used Zen mode on my OnePlus smartphones. They did improve the simple mode with new helper widget and quick tutorial. So let's find it out. Simple mode. Here you can see there's a new widget which have been added which can give you quick tutorials. After that, OnePlus says they have updated the ColorOS dynamic computing engine to improve system smoothness, stability, battery life and app experience. So these things we'll get to know once we start using the device as a primary phone. I'll keep you guys posted about my experience, how smooth it is, battery backup and other stuff. After that, they have done few changes when it comes to gaming experience. We'll talk about them. So first let me launch the game. So there are few things which they have added. One of them is this network optimization. Second one is this champion mode. As per the description mentioned, it will maximize the performance of your device and other stuff. And it will also enhance multi-touch experience. It claims to give stable refresh rate. So let's try it out. First of all, let me show you whether we have the support of 90 FPS or not. So here you can see the FPS what we are getting is only 60, though I have enabled the settings. I mean to say the graphic settings are set to smooth and 90 FPS even in lobby. But still we do get only 60 FPS. So this is about BGMI I am talking. But if you play PUBG, you'll see constant 90 FPS support. Later they have also added this music playback control in the game assistant. After that, few optimizations are done related to Hyper Boost gaming engine to improve the frame rate, and quick startup speed have also been improved as per the changelogs. So let's try to play a TDM and see how does the device perform. I haven't played actually on this device with ColorOS 13, but let's see how does it perform now. So here we won't be able to continuously monitor the FPS because we don't get the option to enable system status here in the ColorOS. But I'll tell you after the gameplay whether did I feel any lags or not. So now let's play the game. So overall gaming experience seems to be good till now in the BGMI. If I see the temperature, so temperature is also good enough. I thought the device will heat up more, but with one TDM you can see the temperature haven't gone much up. So guys, this was all about ColorOS 13.1. I'll try to find out more features and update you guys in a different video. If you have any kind of questions related to this ColorOS 13.1, you guys can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.